Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to get started and walk you through the full process of creating a new business account on Facebook. So whether you are starting a new business or managing an existing one, a Facebook business account can help you reach a wider audience and manage your business more effectively. So before we dive in, it is important to understand what a Facebook business account actually is inside the Meta Business Suite. The Meta Business Suite is the main tool provided by Facebook that allows businesses to create a professional presence, run ads, and manage everything in one place. Basically, it is a tool created by Facebook that helps businesses stay organized and manage pages, ads, and assets from one dashboard. Now, creating a business account is very simple. You just need to go directly to facebook.com and access the Meta Business Suite. So once you open it, you will land inside the Meta Business Suite interface, and from there you can click on Get Started to continue. You must have a Facebook account, so make sure you are logged into Facebook. You can also use an Instagram account, but at least one of these is required before you can move forward. Now what I am going to do is sign in with my Facebook account. Once you are logged in, you may be asked to continue, and after that you will be taken directly inside the Meta Business Suite. If you already have a Facebook account, you will automatically have access to this area. Once you are inside the Business Suite, the next step is to make sure your business details are set up properly. You may see some onboarding steps here. You can go through them or skip them and continue forward. Now you should see your business portfolio information. If you do not have a business portfolio, yet do not worry. You can easily create one by going to the top section, where it says Business Portfolios, and selecting the option to create a new business portfolio. When creating a new business portfolio, you will be asked to enter the business name along with contact information, such as your first name, last name, and business email. After creating the portfolio, you can start adding more details about your business. You may also be asked to verify your email. So make sure you open your email and complete the verification process. Now that you are inside the business portfolio, the next step is to create a Facebook business page. To do this, go to Business Settings from the left menu under the Account section. Select Pages, then click on Add and choose the option to create a new page. Follow the instructions by entering your page, name, choosing a category, and writing a short bio. Then confirm the page and you are done. After creating the page, Facebook will generate a new page ID. This ID is very important because it is used for Facebook ads and other tools inside the Meta platform. Once the page is created, you can start managing roles and permissions. You can add team members and assign them specific access, such as managing messages, content, community activity, or full control. Everything can be managed from one place. You can also connect assets such as your Instagram account to the same business portfolio. This allows you to manage Facebook and Instagram together from one dashboard, which is one of the biggest benefits of using the Meta Business Suite. This is also why setting up a business ad account is so important. To create an ad account, go back to the Ad Account section, click Add, and then create a new ad account. You will assign an ad account ID, set access permissions, and connect it to your business. You can also connect other assets like Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts, and other data sources and integrations. There are many advanced features inside the Meta Business Suite, but this process covers the basics of getting started. So congratulations, you have now successfully created your Facebook business account, set up your page, added team members, and created an ad account with these tools. You are ready to start promoting your business and reaching a wider audience. This is just the first step, and there is much more you can do inside the Meta Business Suite as you continue learning and exploring.